Good morning, students. Today we will learn how to design the good chits. So good chits, I think you can already design in MS Word because it is same as I have shown you the other things. Like you can also design um, the rainy day scene. You can also design uh, the book page cover. So in a similar way, you can also design the good chits. But we have not seen till now how to do the designing in Google Sheets. So all the students who are doing it on Google Sheets, so how they have to do, how they have to design the good chits, that we will see today. So first of all, I am opening Google Doc. This is for those students who don't have computer and they have to work on phone using Google Doc app. Okay, so first of all, we have to change the background color of the page. So we will go to the file menu and there is an option of page setup. Now from here, you can choose a page color. So let's say I wanted to choose this color for my page. Let's choose a golden color. Okay, now we have to add a certificate over here, which could be presented as a good chat, right? So we will search for the certificate. We can also search for the batches. So we will search for batches. Right, these types of batches we want. So I want a PNG image. PNG images are those images which don't have any background, right? So let's search these types of batches. Now design is totally up to you which design you wanted to choose. Let's say I okay, check this one. Yes, this is a PNG image because the checkboxes are coming in the background. So copy this image, paste it in Google Doc. Okay, increase the size of the image. Make it a full page. So for making it a full page image, you have to reduce the margins. Or the second thing you can do is you can go to image options and choose the text wrap behind the text. Now you can increase the size and adjust it on your whole page. Now from the top also, check it from the bottom also. Okay, the size is fine. It is big enough to write the text on it. Now we have to insert a text box over it so that we can write the content. Okay, but I think the background is not matching with this because इसके borders में कुछ कुछ yellow shade आ रहा है. So let's change the background color also. We'll go to file, we will go to page setup and we will choose a different color. So let's say I'm choosing this color. Let's try how it is looking. Reduce the size and check if it is looking fine or not. No. Again, let's choose some other color. maybe a lighter shade of purple will look better. Right. We can also choose a lighter shade of blue or maybe pink. Okay, this one is fine. So let's start now. Increase the size again. This is zoom in and zoom out of option only. We are not increasing the size. This is zoom in. So 100%. 100% is too big. Let's make it 75% only. Okay. Now we have to insert some text over here. Right. So go to insert tab, choose drawing. बेटा मेन्यूज जो होते हैं ना इसमें सारे सेम होंगे जो वर्ड में है बट उनको ढूंढना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट होगा उनकी लोकेशन डिफरेंट होगी राइट सो ड्राइंग्स पे जाएंगे न्यू पे जाएंगे and now here we will take a text box and draw it like this. Now I wanted to display everything in the center, so I'll choose center line and write your content. CRPF public school Dwarka Gudget. This award is presented to, now here the name of the child will come, so we will make a dash. This award is presented to this person uh, for being a responsible student. Then sign of the teacher will come on the left hand side, so alignment should be left this time, and the date will come on the right hand side. Okay, now you can change the font size and color if you want, and writing style if you want. तो हमने थोड़ा सा इसको बड़ा कर दिया है, इसको बॉक्स को भी बड़ा कर देते हैं, डेट को और शिफ्ट कर देते हैं. Okay, now the text should be bold, and if you wanted to choose any different writing style then you can choose. Okay, this is good. Next is, now I wanted to change the font color also. Let's let it be black only. Black पहले okay करके देख लेते हैं how it is looking. Otherwise we will change the color later. So this is how it is coming. Place it at the correct position. हमने इसको नीचे शिफ्ट करना है, तो हम इसके लिए पहले रैप टेक्स्ट करेंगे. तो कैसे आएगा ये रैप टेक्स्ट का ऑप्शन? So you will click on your text box, then go to image options, and these are the text wrapping options. तो हमें ये चाहिए in front of text. So we will use this option, and now you can move it wherever you want it to move. Size should be bigger. Box का size increase करेंगे. Okay, fine. Now, although black color is also looking good, but if you wanted to change the color of the text, you can also change the color of the text. So how can we change the color of the text? Because we have already saved this. So right click on this, go to editing, right click, double click on this. This box will open. Now I wanted to change the text color. Select your text, click on these three dots. These are the text colors. So you can choose any color. Like suppose, let's say I wanted to choose this color or pink, dark pink ले लेते हैं. Okay, this one. So now it is coming like this. Clear? So this is how you can design the widget. Now let's save it. Okay, our designing is done. छोटा करके देखते हैं एक बारी. Okay, it is looking nice. Now let's save it. File. How can we save it? We have to click on, you just have to press Ctrl plus S. And if you wanted to share it with someone, let's try whether we can convert it into a PDF file or not. तो PDF में convert करने के लिए अगर हम Ctrl plus P करते हैं, right. So if we will press Ctrl plus P, तो यहाँ पर प्रिंटिंग के लिए होता है ऑल्दो ये, बट यहाँ पर देखो PDF का ऑप्शन आएगा, सेव एज अ PDF. So you can click on save. ठीक है, now it will ask you the location. So I am right now I am choosing D drive, class 5th, and हमने बनाई है widget. In Google Doc. Save. Now let's check how it is coming. This is the widget which you have designed. And this is how it is looking like. Perfect. So this is how you can design the widgets also. I hope it is clear to everyone. आपके पास क्योंकि कंप्यूटर नहीं है या लैपटॉप नहीं है, तो इट डजंट मीन कि यू कैन नॉट डू द डिजाइनिंग. आप गूगल डॉक्स में डिजाइनिंग कर सकते हो. गूगल डॉक के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक गूगल का अकाउंट चाहिए. जीमेल अकाउंट अगर आपके पास है, देन यू कैन डू एनी टाइप ऑफ डिजाइनिंग हियर इन गूगल डॉक ऑल्सो, राइट.